Hi guys, I am here at CNC Motors and it is incredible. We have so many cars to look at, but I'm going to show you my top 3. Can't wait to show you. But first, this one right here is the fastest car in the world, and it's the Agera RS. Okay, so first pick, Saleen S7 2003, sticker price at $425,000. Check it out. Okay, so I can't pick between these two colors, but these are the new Porsches, and the colors and the paint job remind me of gun parts. Take a look. Okay, so out of all of these beautiful multi-million-dollar sports cars, this is it. So this is my all-time favorite car, 1970 Ford Bronco. It is beautiful. Drop the top off, go down, the beach, go up to the mountains, take it off-road. You can do anything in this car, and if I were to ever hit my midlife crisis, which is coming a long time, this is gonna be it. Okay, I'm all finished checking out all these amazing cars, and make sure, if you haven't, to follow them on social media. CNC Motors in Upland, California, and see you later.